Follow us to know more about our factory. This is our hand cut department. Our factory was built in 2002. Workers are doing the hand cut job. Workers are experienced and skilled. This is our draw line department. This is semi-finished product storage area. We can meet wholesale needs in time. We have sufficient product storage. This is our hand polish department. When hand cut process finished, we will hand polish to make it shiny. Now it's our packing area. When you buy it, we will do the exquisite package. This is our warehouse. Have a look. For most products, we can guarantee to send them out within 24 hours. We support dropshipping. Contact us.